google.com.au, and then we'll search for, in this case, it's going to be Toy Trade Fair Australia. So look for Toy Trade Fairs in Australia. Just open those two up. So this one here, the fair, that's the Australian Toy Association. You could do a lot worse than call them and say, hey, you're the Australian governing body for manufacturers here in Australia. Can you tell me people who manufacture wooden toys and give me the names of some people I can contact to buy directly from them? They will be very, very happy to help you with that. But what you can also do, and I do this all the time, is look for their trade fair. Go to, usually it's to attend, and look at the people who are going to be presenting their wares at the trade fair, and then you can contact them directly without going to the trade fair if you don't want to get your wooden toy and do it that way and go direct that way. So that's really, really cool. And I just spotted this. So here, look, it says Australian Toy Association 2017 award winners. Do you think it would be cool, oh that's cool, to sell an award-winning toy on Amazon? Yes is the answer to that question. So you can now find the award-winning toys and sell them on Amazon. And you can do this for all sorts of different things as well, of course, not just for toys. So that's one way. And the other way is the Australian Toy Hobby and Licensing Fair. That's a nice word, licensing, because it means you can private label. We love that. You can do that, and we can attend event or more visitors. So visitors attending, that's people who are visiting attenders. Here's your exhibitor list. Let's go to have a look at them. And here's all the people who are going to go and exhibit at that. And now I can just go to their website and talk direct to these manufacturers or wholesalers and get these products. And the great thing about using an Australian supplier is, firstly, no importing from China into Australia, which can be a pain. None of that. Secondly, speed. This can happen really, really quickly. You haven't got to ship it from China to Australia, so you haven't got all that 6 weeks, whatever it may be, to get it from one country to another. Thirdly, because they're in Australia, you could ask for terms. You may not get it, but you could ask, and you're more likely to get it from them. Even if it's only 30 days, that's still pretty good. And fourthly, you know, you'll be dealing with an Aussie supplier. There's the whole language thing and the whole kind of thing to consider too. So that could be kind of cool. You will pay a little bit more, of course, but there's swings and roundabouts, different benefits to it. And the chances are, if you're dealing with a wholesaler, your minimum order quantity will be less. So, Lewis, that's exactly what I would do for that particular category. And indeed, I do that for any category I'm going into where I'm looking for a supplier. I look online, find the trade fairs, and then start contacting suppliers to do that. Or in fact, I don't do that. I get somebody else to do that for me, which is what that job right there is. That's what I've just outlined to you. That's that job, getting somebody else to do it for me, because I don't want to do it. It's tedious to do for me, and I'd much rather be playing with my puppy or playing with my kids or getting some sexy time on with my lovely, lovely wife. Whatever it might be, who knows? Anything other than doing that, I think you can agree. So I go outsource it. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below, and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.